Now, we win every day at copyandwin.com, and the thousands of members in my Discord, well, we just win. We bank profits daily, weekly, monthly, you name it. But if you'd like to learn to become a competent trader all on your own, here's the best advice I can give you. Become a specialist. Now, we all know, if you watch my Discord at all, that I'm a self-proclaimed TQQQ specialist. What does a specialist mean? Rick, what are you talking about? Well, it's simple. Well, here's an example. I have twins. They're 13 years old. And I know that from across a field, even if they're dressed the same, they look the same, physically they're practically identical, but from across a room or across a ball field, just by the way they walk, I know which twin is which, because I know them intimately. Now, here's the thing about stocks. If you become a specialist where you only watch 1 or 2 or 3 stocks, and you trade them exclusively, then you'll get to know them intimately. You'll become in tune with those stocks, how they behave, and more importantly, how they react to external market forces like the overall market, is it going up or down, or news. So if you'd like to become a competent, great trader, my best suggestion, at least for starters, is become a specialist. Focus your attention on 1 or 2 or 3 stocks. For example, in our wildly successful Discord, we've got SoFi Bob. Guess what Bob likes to trade? SoFi, S-O-F-I. Me? I trade TQQQ, usually several times a day. We have other folks in our Discord that love trading SPX or Apple. It doesn't matter what you trade, but here's an important point. If you want to figure out what you want to start trading, the most dangerous thing you could do is focus on mid caps, small caps, or penny stocks. Why? Because you need to focus on trading a stock that has high volume and is very, very liquid. In other words, if you want to buy it, you can instantly be filled. If you want to sell it, instantly it sells the moment you place the order. And that's a high volume stock, so stick to the big caps, the major stocks. And all you have to do is figure out how they behave, learn to chart them, learn how they react. And before you know it, it'll take a while. You'll actually become an expert, a specialist at the stocks that you trade day in and day out. So get rich with us in our Discord, copyandwin.com, or if you want to go out on your own and do the hard work, it'll take a while. But instead of trying to chart 10 different stocks every day, focus on 1 or 2. Learn how they behave and react accordingly, and sooner or later, you'll start to realize you can actually, with very high accuracy, predict what a stock is about to do. That's what we do every day at copyandwin.com. Love you.